How do I get out of this vicious cycle? Someone says something hurtful. I react and I start arguing with them. I say something harsh in return and now I feel terrible about it. And it's not just the one time that I feel ignored, offended, or targeted. It's that this keeps happening even after years of practicing Hooponopono. It's like the cleaning hasn't changed anything. First, I want to thank this viewer for naming this so clearly. My friend, I understand the frustration in your question. After spending so much time and effort, years into the practice, why do I keep ending up back in the same place? I'm watching the whole thing play out in front of me. And by the time I realize what's happening, I'm already in it. The judgments, the outrage, the emotional reactions are already running. In Hooponopono, that's data. Memory isn't just replaying the past. It's interpreting what is happening now. And when that data runs, I don't experience memory as memory. I experience it as me, as myself. And now every reaction, every emotional charge becomes evidence. See, I'm still reactive. But what is this I? Someone ignores me. I think I'm upset because of them. But what gets activated is a judgment in my mind. I don't matter. Someone calls me selfish. I don't want them to see me as selfish. So I defend myself. I explain myself. I need them to see me differently. And the moment I need that, they get to determine how I feel about myself. They get to tell me who I am. Now I feel threatened. So I withdraw or I lash out. Then afterward, I judge myself. After all this time, why do I keep ending up back in the same place? And so I ask, how do I get out of this vicious cycle? That's me fixing me. And all of that is active in me. What is active in me, I clean. I'm sorry for whatever is going on in me that is creating this hurt. That memory is not who I am. Please forgive me for my unawareness. Thank you for another opportunity to clean. I love you. I cannot think my way out of a judgment I'm still living as true. Cleaning is awareness. Awareness is not trapped inside the argument.